In this video, I will show you how to delete artboard in Illustrator without any stress. Let me show you how. So for instance, this particular artboard right here, I can decide to delete one out of this. So for that, what we want to do here is to simply come to the sidebar right here. So we want to make sure artboard is active, just like so. Now we have artboard 1 and artboard 2 right here. So for me to delete any of the artboard right here, so we are in artboard 1, which is active. I can decide to select artboard 2. For instance, if I want to delete artboard 2, so I will just click on this trash icon right here, delete artboard, and boom, it has been successfully deleted. So next thing we want to do here is to go ahead, and next thing we want to do is to go ahead and come to the top right here, click on move to, and to exit from the artboard. Then we are done. So with that, we can start with a single artboard that we lay out right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Illustrator software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.